how you doing today? I'm gonna show you how to make a great pasta. It's made of Italian pork sausage. We're gonna saute it in here. Also, we're gonna add some spices, cheese, a lot of cheese. Wisconsin people love cheese. And if you come to Wisconsin, especially Milwaukee, you gotta try this pasta. Everybody makes it different. This is my style, using Italian pork sausage. My friends from my work, they love it. Especially Nico. I know, Nico, you're gonna be watching this video. You love this pasta. Broccolini, she loves it. Güero guy is another one, and so on. So many friends, co-workers, and not for pinche Lori, you're not gonna eat this pasta. Yes, but okay, let's do it. In order to have a great flavor to this delicious pasta, you need to mix some of these spices. Cajun pepper, paprika, garlic, oregano, little cinnamon, salt, pepper. If you like it spicy, just add a little bit more. The pasta is already cooked. We have cheeses here. How I say, Wisconsin people love cheese. Make sure your oil is a little bit hot to give a rich flavor of the fat. You want to be fluffy guy, fluffy person, eat sausage. Spicy, oh yes. Wine. It's not chorizo. This is nice color. I'm gonna chop some parsley. We're gonna add 8 ounces of heavy cream. Parmesan cheese. You love cheese? Add more. Ooh. Cheddar cheese. Provolone. Mozzarella. It smells so good, nice and spicy. This is the texture of the sauce you want to get. Ooh. Ooh. Now, we're gonna add the pasta. One. Now, we're gonna add more cheese. Yes, a lot of cheese. Ding, ding, ding. Be bad. Breadcrumbs, bacon, red peppers, This is what I'm talking about. traditional pasta from Milwaukee. Who wants to eat this beautiful pasta? And this is my pasta for everyone who loves pork, cheese, and want to be fluffy. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. Have a good night.